Java Lessons with Evan. I'm your host, Evan Gonshore, and let's dive into another introductory lesson here. So today we're going to be talking about the concept of assignment. Last time, as you can see here, we talked about what's called declaration, which is when you basically give a value to a variable, in this case, our variable months, which was an int or integer. We're going to rename that to days this time, but we assigned it the value of 12. So this time we're going to just show a very simple example. Kind of sticking with the years concept. So again, the time concept. So we're gonna say, we'll say December has days, which is our variable, and then days, and then we will reassign, or just assign, it's just called assignment, but this value to 30. So what I'm writing for those listening is on another line. Instead of int days equals 31, semicolon, you just write, once you've written that, on a line beneath it or after it, if it's easier to think of it like that, I'm writing days equals 30, and then semicolon. And again, you can see this over on my YouTube channel. And so then we would write system, and this is exactly what was written in the other one. I'm just changing one word. So if you didn't follow before, then follow along right now auditorially, and then you can head over to YouTube. But system.out.println, and the dots are periods. Other than that, you just write it out. Again, you can head over to YouTube, see the proper spelling, open parenthesis, April, open parenthesis, quotation mark, April has, space, so that it puts a space, plus sign, going back to our concatenation lesson. So yes, these are building on each other. Plus sign. So plus sign, the word days, plus sign, and then we pick up the quotation again, so we put another quotation mark. Space, days, period, and then quotation mark, and then parenthesis, and semicolon again. And so what this will print out, again, that's it. I'm trying not to over complicate this, but basically it'll just say December has 31 days, and then since we did a println, it'll go to a new line, and it'll say April has 30 days, since it's currently April. But the idea is just that when you want to change the value to a variable that's already been initialized or given an initial value or declared, or however you want to say it, once you've made that statement that says int for integer, the name of the variable equals the value, and again you end it with a semicolon, then you can just say, like in this case we called it days, any other future calls to that variable don't need the int in front of it. You can just say days equals, and it'll take on a new value. But that's basically the concept of assignment, is that you can overwrite it. And that's about it. I'm trying to learn Rest as well in my new programming learning, and also like how to rest and re-energize, which I think is important in like real life outside of the digital world. So kind of sharing a little bit about what I'm learning. That's about it. Hope you enjoyed. Leave some feedback. Let me know what you think, if the podcast worked or if it doesn't. But it was just kind of something I had always wanted. So, and also people have been asking me about my Java expertise. So leave some feedback. Check out the podcast. Check out the YouTube channel. See what you find helpful. And let me know your thoughts. And hopefully see you again in another video.